Question 12 is asking us to work out the area of a pentagon. There's no such formula to work out the area of a pentagon, so what it's trying to get us to do is to realise that this polygon can be split up into 5 isosceles triangles. Now, there's a formula that I can use as long as I know that angle. And that formula is the area of a triangle is equal to half AB sine C. Really useful formula for working out the area of a triangle, in particular if the triangle, the heights are not particularly obvious, so it's an irregular triangle. What it's basically about is if you've got an angle and either side around it, you can use that formula. Now, x, that angle, because the whole thing adds up to 360, we know that x is 360 divided by 5, which is 72. So I've got my two sides either side, and I've got my 72 angle in the middle. So my area is equal to a half times 6 times 6 times sine 72. It's going to give me a weird answer, so just make sure you write all your calculator display out here. So 0.5 times 6 times 6 times sine 72 gives me 17.119. One decimal place, does the 1 affect the 1? No, it doesn't. So it's 17.1. Units are already there. But that isn't the entire answer. And what you've got to be careful on in questions like that is that you don't jump to that conclusion, because what you might forget is the fact that there's 5 triangles here. So make sure you multiply that by 5. Often we see people jump to the answer line when they think they've got a solution. Okay, so we're going to multiply that by 5. So 85.595. Double check this one. Does that 5 affect it? It does. So my actual answer was 85.6. When you're working some kind of problems like these out, just make sure you just don't jump to the answer line. Understand the logic of it. What I've done there is I've worked out the area of one triangle. I've got 5 of them. That's the area of the pentagon. That is what was asked for.